Don't you want one of these?
Boys will be boys, right? So they're trying to hit the trees and kill the birds. And we don't want to kill the birds. Hey, let's stop hitting the trees, okay?
I want to hit one.
No, let's not hit the trees anymore because Uncle Bob wants the birds to live in the trees.
Okay, can we hit the ground? Right.
Y'all can hit the ground. Come here, I'll show you. Come hit the ground.
And there's a nest right there.
Come hit the ground over here. Here's a bird nest right here, and we want those.
Is there an egg in it?
We want those sweet birds to live here. And Uncle Bob likes the birds, so we got to keep them.
See if there's an egg in it? Can we say sorry?
You want to say sorry to Uncle Bob?
No, sorry to the birds.
To the birds? Yeah, you ready? Say sorry.
Sorry, birds. I can't pick up me.
Okay, say sorry to the birds.
Where?
See that nest right there?
Well, where are the eggs?
They're in that nest right there. Say sorry, birds.
Sorry, birds.
Okay, good job, buddy. We're sorry, birds. We didn't mean to hit your house.
Yeah, we just hitting those nether trees.
Yeah,
Birds.
now let's stop hitting the nether trees. So we just went and ate at Raising Cane's. Now we're eating our favorite cookie place called the Great American Cookie. Favorite place. Good
Favorite
stuff.
place. Oh, lots of calories today. It's very ooey gooey supreme.
I got it.
I'm done.
You done?
Is he Matthew Bow?
It's a bug. I think it's already dead. Hey.
No, it's moving with his pants. Because he's not dead.
Tatum, what do you want to do that bug?
Smash. No.
Why do you want to smash it?
Because I don't like him. He's not my friend.
Why is he not your friend? He's just a bug. See?
Tickles. Can I keep this bug?
No, let me see it.
Yeah, he's...
Here, y'all want to put him over here on this leaf? He might like the leaf.
Yeah, he would eat it. He's at home now.
He's at home now.
Don't move it. We'll fall down. I want to stay.
You want to stay with the bug? Okay, keep watch over the bug.
Hi. Hi, bug. Hey, I see his mouth. Hey, what do those kind of bugs eat?
I'm not real sure. They might eat plants. That's why we put him on a leaf.
Is he scared of you, Dad?
Yeah, bugs are scared of big people like you and me.
No, they're not. They're not scared of me either. Whoa, 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 you watch. Go, go, go.
Maggie is playing Ghostbusters with Mom, and the boys are cheering her on. So that's pretty funny. Something from my childhood. I ain't afraid of no ghosts. This room is nothing but chaos and crying babies trying to figure out what they want. It's crazy.
Don't you want one of these? How it smells. Sensory overload. Help.
Yeah, it's sunny out here, but it's not near as loud. All right, we got finger beams. Here are your finger beams, Noah. Basketball. This is my favorite. Tatum got a shark hand.
Oh, that's hysterical.
Tatum, here's your shark hand. Maggie got some sticky hands. Bouncy ball.
Maggie and I decided to take the back way to one of the stores the other day, and we ran across something that we considered our future dwelling if we ever moved to Northwest Arkansas. It's just a little house right up here. You'll see it in a minute.
Oh yeah.
It's just a small little chateau.
Just a small little. I can't even fathom.
Yeah, look at the entrance.
See, it's a real castle.
Whoa.
Daddy's a real castle.
What? Look at that house, boys.
Guys, look at that house.
That's what me and Mom saw.
Oh my gosh. How many butlers do you have to live in a house like that? That is incredible. That is insane.
That's pretty cool.
That is Downton Abbey, Arkansas, right there. So if you're watching this and you live in that big mansion we just passed back there,
Oh wait, there's another one.
give us and if you live in this one, give us a call and we'll come do a murder mystery thing with you. That'd be fun. Let's check this one out.
I think this
Here's my reaction usually.
yeah.
Share a Coke with Ashley. Ashley, this one's for you.
Here it comes. This is it. There's another one.
What?
Yeah, that's it. That's a residence.
If you had fun, subscribe to this channel because we put up a video every week. And if you like this video, hit the like button and catch us next time.
Bye-bye.
We're the Trussell family.
Bye-bye.
See ya.